So once you have your toilet bowl dry from sponging it and the back of the tank dry from sponging it, you're gonna load it up with some antifreeze, decent amount. So go ahead and just do a half gallon in both the front and back of the bowl. So, all right. And then from there, just clean up your antifreeze mess. And that is it as far as winterizing the camp. You know, of course, emptying your troughs and making sure that all the water and antifreeze is cleaned up. And that is it. All right. Winterizing camp, shutting down the water system and winterizing. That's it. This is your nephew, brother, or cousin signing out.